I can't look at you this way. I can't look at myself. I know, you're no worse than most men, but I thought you were better. I never saw you as a man. I saw you as my father. Now you tell me what you must do. This is how he died. Now tell me where you belong. What was Larry to you? A stone that fell into the water? It's not enough for you to be sorry. Larry didn't kill himself for you to be sorry. You can be better. Once and for all, you can know there's a universe of people outside, and you're responsible to it. And unless you know that, you threw your son away, because that's why he died.